How to use the Credit Karma Credit Builder plan. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log in using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the Credit Builder plan option under the Credit Score tab. The Credit Builder plan helps you build or improve your credit by allowing you to make small monthly payments toward the loan that Credit Karma reports to the credit bureaus. To enroll, click Sign up for Credit Builder. You will be asked to set up your payment plan and link a bank account for automatic monthly payments. Make sure to review the terms carefully, including fees and the payment schedule, so you know what to expect. Once enrolled, make consistent payments on time. These payments will be reported to major credit bureaus, helping to build your credit history and improve your credit score over time. Now you know how to use the Credit Karma Credit Builder plan if it's available to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.